Ayan, Lubao, Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Beanissimo and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Today guys, our friends from Cafe Beanissimo sent us these food packages and today we're gonna open this and of course, syempre, titikman natin. Samahan nyo ko. Tara, let's start from my right. So meron tayong crispy liempo kare-kare. I remember when we were at Cafe Beanissimo sa Guagua. This guy right here is one of the highlights. Grabe. And they are kind enough to send it para matikman natin ulit. And of course, meron din tayong aligaya pasta. Si Cafe Beanissimo, one of the popular coffee shops in Guagua. And ang mga specialty nila ay of course mga drinks and pasta. Another pasta meal. Meatball spaghetti. Oh, what a lovely smell. Bango. Hindi rin mawawala yung mga finger foods nila. Beanissimo wings. Second to the last ay ang kanilang chicken poppers. Lastly, on the dishes, quesadilla. Of course, meron tayong salsa dip dyan. And on our drinks, we have sparkling strawberry and iced caramel macchiato. Wow, wow, wow. Yaman na. Yaman na. Namiss ko tuloy yung mga coffee shops dito, no? Anong mga favorite coffee shops nyo? From Guagua, I'm pretty sure naging favorite nyo si Cafe Beanissimo. But anyway, tikman na natin to. I'm just gonna go over isa-isa, titikman natin because later on, of course, I'm gonna share this with my family. And let me go first with the crispy liempo kare-kare. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! So it comes with a single serving of rice and bagoong. Satisfying. Wow! Super. So peanut buttery. Para sa akin, hindi siya greasy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yaman na sauce. And then the liempo is absolutely crispy. For sure later pag serve ko sa family ko, pag aagawan to. Oh, if you are just here guys, if you are just beside me and maaamoy mo tong aligaya pasta na to, it is so all over the place. Aligaya pasta. Oh, wow. Wow. One more serving before I let this dish down. So, hindi ko siya pakakawalan muna. Yung Beanissimo wings nila is their house chicken wings. Sila mismo yung naka-formulate ng sauce na to. Oh. So just to warn you guys, it is a little spicy and then para sa akin medyo on the soury side yung sauce niya. But nonetheless, again, it is still finger licking and the meat is so tender. Yeah. Alright. Lastly, but not the least, of course, yung kanilang quesadillas. So this is Mexican food. Whoa! So if I may share it with you guys, so inside the quesadilla, you have your cheese, of course. Meron din tayong chicken meat, and then yung herbs and spices na in it. I can't explain it, but it is, I mean, out of this place. It's not even parang Pinoy style na quesadilla. So, let me give you some remarks about Cafe Beanissimo. For advance order or in-house delivery, you may contact the number flash on your screen right now, and you can also order through online. Just message them on their Facebook fan page. They are accepting bank transfer or COD or cash on delivery. They are also accepting party trays for quarantine celebration or at home, parang mga ganyan. For orders in Guagua, free delivery po yan. Locations like Lubao, Sasmuan, Sta Rita and Bacolor, 50 pesos lang po ang delivery charge. So there you have it, guys. Again, I can attest you, it's one of our popular videos sa Where in Pampanga channel po namin. And this was a hit actually when they opened. If you like the food that you saw in this video, please share it with your friends. Tag mo yung best friend mo na namimiss na ang Cafe Beanissimo. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next review from home. Stay safe, guys. Bye.